Now we move straight to HTML. That is question. I'll share this one also with you so that you can apply them. You can solve all these questions, transitions and others. Now we move straight to HTML. It was not on 2019. Let's check other questions that we can find HTML. Let me take 2018 question paper from Northwest. Also only PowerPoint. It doesn't have. So we look for HTML question. I think 2024 had HTML question. 2024. 2023 also does not have HTML. Oh no, it has. So I can use November 2023 question paper as an example. So you say we must open 5 Cape Town. So we go to HTML, then we open 5 Cape Town. You right click and choose edit with Notepad++. Now the first question, where you see these question numbers 5.1, that's where you are going to answer it. Now it says add the code that will display the title Cape Town Water Crisis in the tab and or the title bar of your browser. So here, whenever you see title bar or you see in the tab, that means that should be the title. So this one, you go to the 5.1 and then you put title tag and it should be Cape Town Water Crisis. Then you close your title. Right. And then the second one, add a level 1 heading at the top of the body section, just above the first paragraph. So go and check where they have 5.2. And then you add level 1 heading, which is H1. H1. And then the heading should be, the heading should contain the text, the water crisis, in Cape Town. So you choose H1, the water crisis in Cape Town. Then you close your H1. So always check where the question of, don't type them inside this green comment. You call them comment, you don't answer there. The next one, add a tag to draw a horizontal line. So where the H3 is, we draw horizontal line, which is HR. And then we put /. And then the next one, it says the text starting with the word "the mistakes" or "this makes water conservation even more crucial" should be on the next line, but without starting a new paragraph. So to be on the next line, meaning that we put BR/. BR means break. That means you want to push it to the next line. And then 5.4.2, the word 30% should be in bold. So we look for 30%. (5.3.2). Here is the 30%. So in bold, you put B, or you can use strong also. So either B or strong. So B is for bold, I is for italic, U is for underline. And then the word what to do should be as heading 3. So 5.3.3, what to do here should be heading 3. So we put H3 and then we close it with H3. Then the next question, gray water should be underlined. So we have to look for gray water. Underline, that means U. And then where the gray water is ending, we close it with U. The word minimizing toilet flushing should be displayed italic. Italic is I. And then where it is ending, you close it with your I. Remember, when you are closing, you put the forward slash. Then the last part, an important closing tag is missing from the HTML code. Add the missing tag. So here we are looking for the missing tag. You start by clicking each other. Now the missing tag is HTML. They did not close it. Now, another one, they can also ask you to change the background color. You put it inside the body tag, there's a BG color equals to, let's say, gray, or BG color equals to light blue. Or you can say BG color equals to light blue as one word. So that is how we change the background color. Now let's look at our the example that I showed, whether there's some text missing. Yes, we are missing the font tag. We did horizontal line, background color. Now we have to talk about the font tag. Remember the HR, we can have the size, the width, let's say equals to 70%. Anytime you say equal sign, you must put it in inverted comma. And then the size equals to 8. Now, if we are going to apply a font on a certain text, let's say we want to apply a font from here. We use the tag called font, and font has face equals to, let's say I want to use the font face called Times New Roman. Then I want to have the size of the font to be 15 pt. And then the color of the font. Look at the way I'm typing color. It should be COLOR. So the color should be, let's say, blue. Then where the font is ending, I must close it. Let's say I want to end the font here, then I must close my font tag. Right, so these are the basic text as grade 10 learner you must know. You can also insert a paragraph, which is P. Then we can align the paragraph, say align equals to maybe justify. If you want to justify this paragraph, you say align equals to justify. These are called attributes and they are part of a tag. So take note. And you can see that the attributes are always red font color. Right. That is all about HTML. Please don't forget to go through this and then you also solve them. Under this video, the link to this document will be shared. Thanks for your time.